In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Regions credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. You should see your new credit card listed under your account section. If it's a new or replacement card, there will usually be a prompt that says Activate Card. Tap on the card, then select Activate Card. The app will walk you through a quick verification process. You'll likely need to enter the last 4 digits of the card, the expiration date, and maybe even the CVV code found on the back. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Regions credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.